मैं पहली बार आज गया था चार मीनार पे। सुबह मुझे मौका मिला वहाँ जाने के लिए। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। बहुत कमाल की चीज़ें देखी मैंने, समझी। मुझे मतलब आई वॉज वेरी लकी कि सुबह सुबह ज़रा भीड़ भाड़ कम रहती है, तो आराम से मैं वहाँ जाने का मुझे मौका मिला। वरना कहा जाता है कि बहुत भीड़ होती है एंड देयर इज सो मच ऑफ ट्रैफिक एंड सो इट वुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल बिट नॉट पॉसिबल, बट that's why I just made a program कि मैं I'll go by 8:30, 9 o'clock there when there's not many people. But I just want to say it's such a beautiful monument, and I would request people uh, in Hyderabad and in all everybody who comes to see the monument, please for God's sake don't write your names or your people whom you love on the walls. You're spoiling that monument, such a lovely monument. You're all spoiling that monument. I think if you can play this in your channels and tell everybody not to write their names down on the monument, we are spoiling such. I think it's about 400 years old, and if we can all take care of it, we can save this for another maybe 1,000 years more to come. I promise you, if I get a permission, I would love to do a stunt. I would love to perform a stunt there and call everybody and tell them that please don't write on these walls. I would love to perform a stunt. My Bua stays in Haryana, so I was very comfortable doing this role. It was easy for me. Movie which did 100 crores, so I don't think what you have calculated will be right. So it was the first 100 crores. That was the film which showed us the 100 crore mark. So it did a very good job. And yes, I mean, say, this film is also a remake of a Malayalam film called Pokri Raja. And I think it's I have really enjoyed that movie. That's why I bought the rights to remake it, and it will do. I hope so. It will do very well in North Indian as well as South Indian language. I mean, say they would love to watch this film again. I know for sure that they must have seen it, but this has a new turn and twist in this film. We have tried to take the original, whatever possible, and try to create more stuff also in Strategy also. I just work hard. I just work honestly, and I look at films as passion, and I keep on working. A lot of people say that I do about 3 to 4 films a year, and there are many heroes, many actors who just do one film a year. But I always think that I can. One movie of mine takes about 60 days. So in a year, I can complete 4 movies in 240 days. So I have so many still days left. So it is not a strategy, it is just a thing which I don't know anything else to do in life besides doing films. Special Chabbis, I did, oh my god. So it's not back-to-back comedy. I did Rowdy Rathore, which was an action film. This also is an action film, but with a lot of comedy in it. So I try to mix and match it out because he gives a good music. Yeah, but if I take somebody else, you'll say, why did you choose that person only? Yeah, I've given chance. I mean, say if you see, there are Meet Brothers also. There's Chintan Bhatt also. They are new, and there's Yo-Yo Singh. So there's everything. There are about 3 or 4 music directors in this man. So I envy people. I envy people who can sing. I just love them. I mean, say when I see them singing, I actually just fall in love with them कि यार इन लोग गाना गा सकते हैं, मैं क्यों नहीं गा सकता हूँ? I wish मेरी आवाज़ अच्छी होती, मैं भी गाना गाता. Because I just love people who can sing. Well, I am not a kind of a person who parties all night. Sometimes when it is a big occasion like like a birthday party of my family or mine, so then we do it in family. I think we're grateful. I'm grateful to Sonakshi for being in this music video. She actually knew it very well that there's no lyrics of a girl singing. It's a male song. But when she heard the song, she liked it so much, she said, I'll just come there for 5-6 hours, I'll just dance and I'll go home. That's what she did. She just wanted to be a part of it, and that's all she did. ज़रूरी नहीं होता है कि हर हीरो के पास एक हीरोइन होनी चाहिए. It's okay. I have a brother. I have her fiance with me. So that I have a father, Mr. Mithun Chakravarti, because that was not required in the film. So we didn't. I didn't. So like I did a film called Hera Fairy also. It didn't have a heroine in that film. I'm taking something which is very good only. It's all these films you have taken the name as all hit films only. So that's fine. It's um, I mean, lots of films from Hindi comes to South, and lots of South film comes to North, or in Hindi cinema. There's nothing. It's a very give and take relationship. We all are in one culture and one group, so that's fine with it. No, it's not that. But it's a movie which I like. I didn't buy it because it was a remake. I saw the film. I liked the film. It was a it's a film which is very close to me because of a father and son relationship, and I just love that. Uh, yes, I always, as in all my interviews, I say कि mothers are up there, they are very high, but I mean we never give credits to fathers. Poor father is somewhere in the middle, just hanging. Okay, that man will come, he will earn money, he will come home, fine. But mothers are there. So I just want to, and you won't believe it, in Hindi cinema that we have not even made one father's song is there. Do you know that? There's not even one father song. Mother song, there are at least about 500 mother songs. पापा के ऊपर थोड़ी गाना, वो तो बोलता पापा कहते हैं कि बड़ा नाम करेगा, वो तो उसका अपनी अपनी तारीफ करता है वो. But this is पिता क्या है? Not a father's song. That's not a song on father. It's just a पापा कहते हैं. Is to play different characters. Is to get up in the morning and know you're going to get so much attention. Right, and you get to travel. Whenever you're shooting abroad, I always think I'm on paid holiday, and so there are so many parts which are enjoyable. But I must let you know, it's lots of hard work. Lots of hard work. It's not so easy. It's just not easy because he fitted the role. It was a role of big boss, and it was a role that somebody. I think it just fitted very perfectly with him. We had lots of choices, but we went for him. And plus, he's not done many films. He doesn't do many films. And when I made him hear it, he loved the film and he opted to do the film. And actually, this is going to be after about 3 years he's doing any film. Okay, I'm very happy that my fans. My people who love me, a fan group called Akians, I didn't even know that they were doing something like that. They have gone and made the world's biggest poster with Boss. How emotional I am about this part that they have done something like that. I have no words to thank them. I'll always be मैं हमेशा मतलब I just don't have many words to thank them. They've just been amazing about it. I'm just as confident as Sachin when he played his first game. He got out in 0, and then still the captain gave him another chance, and he made 100 the next. So I'm as confident as that. I just told them, I said, this movie is a emotional film and with lots of comedy. And it's a family film. It's about a father and son's relationship. It's about two brothers' relationship. And so basically I would call it a family drama with comedy in it. Yes, I have seen his film. I don't remember the name, but the college one. When am I going to start it? I'm going to start it somewhere in January. Before it dies, we are releasing our film. We are trying to catch the train. So we are. Still, the last masala film did a business of 190 crores. So we're trying to catch the bus. Well, that's what I say. With what you are saying and what Mr. Salman is saying. So we are still, there is time. Before it dies, we'll catch the bus and then we'll catch another one. Right? Thank you very much, sir. And thank you, everyone. Thank you very much.
But this morning, I think there was, I think they thought that it was better for me to not go because maybe there was a problem with the crowd. And I think for Akshay sir, there's always a huge crowd. And many times when he is ahead of us, we get sort of stamped on. This city means a lot to me. My grandmother lives here, so this city is very special to me. Be a part of a film like this, which is a big scale masala film. that reaches out to a lot of people is a huge thing. And I think when someone like Akshay sir does take you in your film, he gives you a certain amount of responsibility and space to do your thing. And I'm very grateful to that. It's a fun film and I enjoyed being a part of it. First day of shoot was really special. We were shooting, it was the first day of the shoot of Har Kisi Ko, and we were shooting at India Gate. And we were shooting actually very beautiful locations. That particular day we were doing a jeep ride from India Gate down those roads, and very beautiful over there. And a crowd had collected there, and quite a huge crowd. And it was quite a high because I'm fairly new. I've done a few films, but they've all been films that have been shot abroad. Both Murder 3 and London, Paris, New York were shot abroad. This was the first time I was actually shooting in India, and people were hooting and clapping and screaming and shouting our names, and it was quite incredible to do that. So that was a lot of fun. Danny sir actually plays Boss K Big Boss. His name is Big Boss. He plays Boss's mentor, and mentor in many ways. Somebody who guides him, somebody who's with him always, somebody who's almost like a father figure to him. I don't want to tell you too much about the part because I'll reveal too much about the film, and I'll leave Akshay sir to do that. But I interacted a little with Danny sir, and I can tell you that he is just the most incredible person. He's a gentleman. He's so graceful, so wonderful to talk to, and so encouraging as a person. And I think his role in the film is also kind of like that, but of course it's set in Haryana, so Telugu films have the most beautiful music. I think some of the best songs are from here, and your films go on to do really, really well. If I get a good offer, I would be very happy to do it because I know that there's a lot of popularity and a lot of good films being made.
So for me, it's been a great dream. I think dream come true would be the right way to describe it. I don't know what kind of chemistry we share on screen. I mean, I'd be the wrong person to comment on that, but I think we've managed to do a decent job on screen. But वो तो आप ही लोग देखेंगे October 16th को. And hopefully we've been able to portray our characters well on screen and bring a certain chemistry alive. The feeling which Sir wasn't able to describe right now, I think I would second that feeling, but towards him, I don't know what to say because it's a huge sign of, like I said earlier, he's been supportive from day one, and honestly, I don't know why he's being so nice to me, but I'm very happy that he is. So